Today I'm gonna show y'all how to go about doing what they call air squats or body weight squats. Now you see I'm doing it in my kitchen. I actually thought of the concept of this when I realized I hadn't done my daily squats and I was cooking. So there's that. First thing you want to do is get you a good stretch. Make sure you get it all limber or whatnot because you're finna put in the work. First thing you want to do is make sure that your feet are shoulder width apart. If you don't know how to get them shoulder width apart, you got a hard time doing that, take both hands, lay them against your shoulders, point them straight at your feet, and put your feet under where your hands are. Perfect way to get it shoulder width. I'm going to give you a side angle to show you exactly how. You can put your hands together, push them out to the side to keep balance, or push them in front of you and hold that invisible wall up. So to show you exactly how these squats are supposed to look from the side angle, you're going to sit directly down, and as you can see, the back is slanted a little bit forward. You're like, well, Excel, ain't I supposed to keep my back straight? That is physically impossible. So your body's going to slant forward on the upward part a little bit. So it's like holding up that invisible wall to put your hands out, but your legs are parallel to the ground. You're sitting directly down, like sitting in a chair. As a matter of fact, it's like sitting on the toilet if you got to think of anything. It's like sitting, yes, that's right, like sitting on the toilet. And all you're doing is sitting directly down, shoulder width apart, sitting directly down. One of the tickets I do is to keep my head up. So you sit on that toilet, but you look at the ceiling, keeping them legs parallel. Your back won't be at a 90-degree angle, but let your body does what it do. Keep your legs parallel, squat it out. Perfect form, hands together, pressed out, whatever one feels best to you. You can put it on your head if you want to, but just make sure that those legs are parallel, you're sitting directly down, and you got it. It's the only way to do it. Get them thoroughbred legs in shape. Get them beach legs together. Weather getting hot. Blessings and armor. Bye.